Hey guys, so I'm starting the moving process today, dropping off at UHaul to pick up the car, pick up the equipment, and then heading back to my place to pick up everything. My brother's here to help me out. He came out from Long Island, so yeah, let's get started. U-Haul and driving it on my own back to my apartment, and then we're gonna fill up the U-Haul. I got some movers to come and help with the process because I have some pretty heavy stuff to load. The way that I found my movers was actually through U-Haul. They had some moving company options. I was receiving texts from, I think, the manager at the moving company. He was asking me, details about the move ahead of time. So the guys that came knew exactly what was happening, that, I was moving from a walk up to an elevator. I still felt bad having them move up and down, 4 flights of stairs. But in the end of the day, I got them so that I didn't have to do it alone. So they were really helpful, and I was able to get everything done right in time. So really happy about that. This is all of my stuff packed up, and the movers are here, so they'll be helping me get this all into the U-Haul. So this is my old room. It's all cleaned up now and empty. It's a bittersweet feeling, but it's all cleaned up, which is a relief in its own way. And I had a small closet. That's all cleaned up now too. And this was my old living room and kitchen. I actually recorded this video just so I could send it to my super if, there were any questions about, damages here and there. I just wanted to make sure that I could get my security deposit back. That was my bathroom, and this is my roommate's room and closet. Hey guys, so I just loaded the U-Haul up, and now I'm on my way to my next place. Super excited. It wasn't too bad. Just, moving things down from a 4th floor walk up was tough, but I'm excited to now be in a building that has an elevator. So this is going to be a lot easier to unload everything and get everything set up. Yeah, so because so many people are moving out right now, when I was at U-Haul trying to get my car and the equipment, they told me that they had no more dollies left, and I reserved a dolly to help with, moving my boxes and everything. So because they didn't have it, luckily my movers, they were strong guys, and they were able to move everything without the dollies. But keep that in mind. If you really need a dolly, I would say buy it, because tons of people are moving out right now, and I'm rushing back to get my van back to U-Haul because there's someone reserving it right at 4. So keep that in mind for your move. So it started raining maybe 20 minutes before we were done. Luckily it was just drizzling, so we were able to get everything into my new apartment before it started pouring, and now I'm just on my way to return the U-Haul. Some things to just keep in mind. My new apartment has a freight elevator in the back, so I came to the front entrance, and luckily I just called the front desk and they told me where the freight elevator was located, and we ended up going there and everything worked out. I'm all done. I'm all moved in. My hair looks like a frizzy mess, but I'm so glad to be done. Nothing's set up yet. I literally have a whole pile of things that I have to unpack, but I will get everything unpacked and show you guys kind of the finished room and the finished studio overall. I'll do a video on that at the end of this week. But yeah, short video for this week. I just wanted to let you guys know that the move went well, everything's in, and I'm all set. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys find happiness every day. I'm so happy right now being in my new space, so I hope you guys find ways to find happiness every day. Talk to you all soon. Thanks. Bye.